This video is about how to set our custom images as a wallpaper on iPhones. Okay, let's do this. First, go to Photos app and choose the image you want to set. Then click the share button and scroll down a little bit and click use as wallpaper. Yeah, then adjust the image like this. You can also zoom in or zoom out the image. Then click set. And if you wish to set the image as lock screen or home screen or both, it's your wish. And I'm going to set this to both. Yeah, now you successfully changed the wallpaper on both home screen and lock screen. Okay, suppose you want to again change that to default inbuilt wallpaper means go to settings, wallpaper, choose a wallpaper. Yeah, here you can use the inbuilt Apple wallpapers. Yeah, that's it.